In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Squarespace website. Whether you want to keep it private while working on updates, or simply want to control who has access. Password protecting your Squarespace site is a straightforward process that I'm about to walk you through. First, we'll begin by navigating to Squarespace. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, you may need to enter your credentials. If you're new to Squarespace, navigating its interface might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're logged in and on Squarespace, search for the Get Started button. Clicking this will lead you to the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your website customization needs. The dashboard might seem overwhelming at first glance due to its many options, but it's laid out in a logical order. Everything you need for settings and design is clustered together to make navigation a breeze. Inside the dashboard, look for the Settings option. This is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll want to find and select Site Availability. This section allows you to control who can see your site and when. It's particularly useful if your site is still a work in progress or if you're preparing for a particular launch date. In the Site Availability menu, find the drop-down to choose how people can access your site. You're going to select the option labeled Password Protected. This step is crucial because it tells Squarespace to restrict access to only those with your specific password. By setting a password, you create an extra layer of security, ensuring that only those who need access can view your site. After selecting Password Protected, input your desired password in the provided field. This password is what visitors will need to enter to access your website, so make sure it's something easy to remember but not too obvious. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols usually works best for maintaining security without sacrificing convenience. Finally, to make sure everything is set up correctly, click Save. This confirms and applies your settings, locking your site to the desired audience. Checking that everything is saved is an often overlooked but crucial step in the process. Now your site is password protected, and you can breathe easy knowing it's secure. You can always come back and change these settings anytime you need to adjust who can see your site. And that's it. A quick and easy way to add a password layer to your Squarespace site. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your website management is a bit easier now. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.